Hello students, welcome to Nima Academy. In this video session we will discuss swarming and importance of honeybee. Swarming is a natural process that occurs in honeybee colonies when the population grows too large. Current hive. The process of swarming involves the old queen and a large portion of the worker bees leaving the original hive and forming a new colony in a new location. Swarming typically occurs in the spring or early summer when the weather is warm, and there is an abundance of food available for the new colony. Before swarming, worker bees within the colony will create new queen cells to raise a new queen bee. Once the new queen emerges, the old queen will leave the hive with a portion of the worker bees to find a new location for the colony. The bees that remain in the original hive will raise the new queen to continue the colony's reproduction. Swarming is a natural and essential process for the survival of honey bee colonies. It allows for the creation of new colonies, genetic diversity, and resource management within the hive. However, swarming can also have negative consequences for beekeepers who rely on the bees for honey production or pollination services. Beekeepers often take measures to prevent swarming, such as dividing colonies or removing queen cells, to maintain the hive's stability and productivity. Importance of honeybee. Honeybees provide a number of important benefits, both ecologically and economically. Here are some advantages of honeybees. Pollination. Honeybees are essential pollinators for many plants, including crops such as almonds, apples, blueberries, and cucumbers. Without honeybees, these plants would not produce fruits or seeds, which would have significant impacts on the food supply. Honey production. Honeybees produce honey, a sweet and nutritious food that has been used by humans for thousands of years. Honey has many health benefits and is used in a variety of food products. Wax production. Honeybees also produce beeswax, which is used to make candles, cosmetics, and other products. Beeswax is valued for its unique properties, such as its ability to burn cleanly and its hypoallergenic qualities. Biodiversity. Honeybees play an important role in maintaining biodiversity by pollinating a wide variety of plants. This helps to ensure the survival of many plant species and the animals that depend on them. Ecological services. Honeybees provide important ecological services, such as pollination and nutrient cycling. These services contribute to the health and productivity of ecosystems and support the survival of many other species. Students, I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep on learning through Nima Academy e-learning and have a good day. Bye bye.